You have been lied to your entire life. Hard work and natural talent are not the secrets to success. They are the trap. There is an invisible psychological system that controls exactly who wins and who fails. Once you hear this, you can never unhear it. Have you ever looked at someone successful and felt a sharp, heavy pain in your chest? A quiet voice whispering that maybe they were just born lucky and you were not. We see people who have everything we want: money, freedom, respect. We tell ourselves they have some secret genetic code, or rich parents, or magical talent. We do this to protect our own feelings, because the alternative is terrifying. The alternative is that maybe, just maybe, the reason we are stuck is entirely our own fault. Welcome back to Glaze English. I am here to tell you something you might not want to hear, but desperately need to. You are not stuck because you lack talent. You are not stuck because the world is unfair. You are stuck because you are running a broken operating system. You are working extremely hard, putting in endless hours, sweating every single day. But you are running in place on a treadmill. I know exactly how this feels because I was there, exhausted and angry, wondering why my hard work was invisible to the universe. But here is the shocking truth that completely broke my reality. Success is not a mysterious gift. Success is a cold, calculated skill set. It is an invisible system of daily behaviors that you simply have not been taught yet. What if the only thing standing between you and the exact life you dream about is a set of 10 simple, completely unglamorous habits? Habits that require absolutely zero natural talent to master. If you are tired of running in place, if you are finally ready to tear down the illusion of luck and take brutal control of your future, stay with me until the very end of this video. We are going to rebuild your operating system together. But before we start this journey, if you want to support this channel and help us bring you more life-changing lessons, please hit that subscribe button right now. It gives us the fire to keep going. Let's begin. To build this new operating system, we must first pour a foundation made of unbreakable character. Let us talk about honesty, but not in the way your teachers or parents told you. For a long time, I thought honesty was just about being a good person. I watched people around me take shortcuts, tell small lies to look better, and fake their way to the top. It made me angry, and honestly, I sometimes wondered if I should play their game. But here is the hard lesson I learned. In a world completely obsessed with being fake, being real is your ultimate strategic advantage. When you lie, you have to build a fragile house of cards. You spend all your mental energy remembering your stories and hiding your true self. But when you are honest, even when it costs you a short-term win, your mind stays completely calm. You become deeply authentic. People are starved for authenticity. When you are the one person in the room who tells the painful truth, people notice. They remember you. They trust you with bigger opportunities because they know you will not betray them. Honesty is not a weakness. It is the strongest business skill you can ever develop. Once you build that trust, you must protect it through what I call time integrity. We often call this punctuality, but it is so much deeper than just looking at a clock. I used to be that person who was always 5 minutes late, rushing through the door with a perfectly practiced excuse about traffic. I thought it was no big deal. But every time I was late, I was silently screaming to the other person, "My time is more valuable than your life." That is a terrible message to send. Time is the only resource we can never get back. When you show up early, you are telling the world that you are disciplined, respectful, and ready. You stop running behind life and start leading it. These two simple habits, telling the truth when it hurts and showing up before you have to, do not require a college degree or a rich family. They are choices, and they are the absolute bedrock of a strong character that the world simply cannot ignore. Once you have built that rock-solid foundation of trust and respect, you need a powerful engine to actually drive you forward day after day. For years, I was completely trapped in the frustrating cycle of starting and stopping. I would feel a huge rush of excitement, start a new project, work day and night, and then entirely give up 2 weeks later when it got hard. I finally realized that the human brain naturally hates consistency. It always wants new, shiny, exciting things. But the reality is that true success is often very repetitive and quiet. Think about drops of water falling on a heavy, solid stone. One single drop of water is weak and does absolutely nothing. But that exact same drop, falling in the exact same spot every single day, will eventually break the hard stone in half. That is the invisible, unstoppable power of consistency. To keep that water dropping, you have to stop believing in the beautiful lie of motivation. Motivation is just a passing emotion, and emotions fade away quickly when you are tired, sad, or stressed. I used to always tell myself I would do the work tomorrow when I finally felt ready. But the harsh truth is, you will never feel totally ready. Self-discipline is the raw courage to do what you must do, especially when you strongly do not feel like it. It is the silent strength to keep your promises to yourself in the dark, when nobody is watching you and nobody is there to clap for you. And in our modern world, that daily discipline must be combined with deep, unbreakable focus. Right now, your attention is under constant, heavy attack. Every phone notification, every fast video, and every social media message is designed to steal your precious time. We often fool ourselves into thinking we can successfully multitask. But scattered attention only creates average, forgettable results. Deep focus is the rarest and most valuable superpower today. I had to aggressively train myself to put my phone in another room, sit in total silence, and put all my mental energy into just one single task. When you gather your scattered thoughts and focus them into one specific direction, you become a force that nothing can stop. But mastering your own mind and focusing deeply is only half the battle. Eventually, you have to take that inner strength and connect it with the noisy world around you. For a long time, I believed that real success meant being a lone wolf, struggling alone in silence to prove exactly how strong I was. I thought networking was just exchanging business cards and awkwardly asking successful people for favors, which always felt incredibly fake and uncomfortable to me. But then, my entire perspective shifted. Real networking is not about what you can take from someone, it is entirely about what you can give. When you start looking at every interaction and asking how you can add real value to a person's life, everything completely changes. You stop being a desperate beggar for opportunities, and you start becoming a magnet for them. I learned the hard way that the people you spend your days with dictate your absolute ceiling of growth. To build these powerful relationships and actually chase your biggest goals, you must fiercely protect the most limited resource you will ever possess. We often think time management is about creating a stressful, crowded schedule where you just work like a machine until you drop. I used to absolutely hate the idea of a strict routine. But I soon realized that managing my time was actually the only way to buy back my true freedom. When you do not deliberately plan your day, you immediately become a helpless victim of everyone else's loud emergencies. By simply deciding my top 3 priorities the night before, I took back control of my life. I stopped being exhausted by being busy and finally became powerful by being purposeful. Yet, none of your perfectly managed time or brilliant focused ideas matter at all if they stay permanently trapped inside your own head. For years, I kept quiet because I was terrified of saying the wrong thing or using the wrong English words. I realized that my deep fear of judgment was keeping my true value totally invisible to the world. Communication is the ultimate bridge between your mind and your future reality. It is not about using big, complicated vocabulary to sound smart. It is about having the raw courage to speak your truth clearly and simply. When you finally find the bravery to share your voice, the right people will always listen. Once you find the courage to share your voice with the world, you must ensure the mind behind that voice never stops expanding. I used to deeply believe that graduation day was the final end of my education. I thought I knew exactly enough to survive. But the world moves incredibly fast, and I quickly realized that the most dangerous words anyone can speak are, "I already know that." The moment you decide to stop learning, you do not just stand still, you actively start falling behind. The successful people I deeply admire never graduate from the school of life. They ask hard questions even when they feel foolish, and they aggressively protect their curiosity. But eventually, all this beautiful knowledge becomes completely useless if you lack the raw courage to step into the arena. Overthinking was my greatest, most comfortable trap. I would read countless books and plan perfectly in my journals, lying to myself that I was just getting ready. I was paralyzed by the heavy fear of starting small and looking silly. But the perfect moment is a beautiful lie that will keep you stuck forever. Action is the only fire that burns away fear. Action is the only real bridge between your dreams and your reality. You just have to start, even if your hands are shaking. Success is not a final destination we magically reach. It is the capable person we slowly become through these daily choices. Do not let this be just another video you quickly forget. Pick exactly one skill from our journey today and take one tiny step toward it right now. We have walked through the entire blueprint of a successful operating system today. From laying a strong foundation of brutal honesty and time integrity to building an unstoppable engine of daily consistency, strict discipline, and deep focus. We learned how to bridge the gap between our minds and the outside world through value-driven networking, careful time management, and courageous communication. And finally, we recognized that continuous learning and immediate action are the ultimate sparks that bring this whole system to life. But if there is one profound lesson I want you to take away from our time together, it is this: real transformation is never a loud, cinematic moment. It is the quiet, often boring, daily repetition of good choices when nobody is looking. The grand illusion of the modern world is that you need a massive, overnight change to fix your life. You absolutely do not. The deep takeaway here is about changing your core identity. You do not practice these 10 skills simply to get a promotion or buy a nicer car. You practice them to quietly become a person that you deeply respect. How do you actually apply this overwhelming amount of information to your life right now? Stop trying to fix everything at the exact same time. That is a guaranteed recipe for burnout and failure. Put down the heavy burden of perfection right now. Look honestly at this list of 10 skills and completely forgive yourself for the ones you are currently failing at. Then, simply pick one. Just one single skill. Let it become your primary focus for the next 30 days until it becomes a natural part of who you are. Before we end our journey today, I have a simple question for you, and I would genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Which of these 10 skills do you personally find the most difficult to master in your own daily life? Please leave a comment down below to share your perspective so we can all read, relate, and learn from each other's honest struggles. And if this video brought you real value today, please hit that subscribe button. Your support gives our channel the vital motivation to keep creating these meaningful lessons for you. Thank you for walking this path with me.